here at Eden Rock in St. Barths, and I'm hoping everybody can hear this. It's a little bit windy today, but I wanted to get a video of my room, which they each have their own name. This is Treasure, and this is where housekeeping, slide that, come over here, and that is the entrance to my villa, which is incredible. And right over there, the point sunheads, that is Sticky Beach, which this is very, very popular beach club. I'm sure most of you have heard of it. But I wanted to get a video here of this water. There's another sunny room right over there. So, let me take you inside. So we have the loungers, the stunning rock, which you're going to see where the other part of this rock ends up, because you can see it goes through the wall here. So go into my villa. I haven't touched anything. We have this stunning bed here and wonderful amenities. There's a little pouch with my name on it. The mini bar is over here, and we'll come around. So we have obviously a desk area and then a great walk-in closet here, which is beautiful. And then to me, what's really spectacular, besides this villa already is spectacular, but there's the other side. There is the rock that is outside. There's the rest of it. And then you come in here and they have more amenities, beautiful bag, and they do, obviously their signature color is red, so you get their red nail polish. So absolutely beautiful. And I just got here, so I'm going to go explore the beach, have some lunch, and just relax and enjoy this beautiful villa.